guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is Oats Chilla or Oats Besan Chilla. It's a very quick, easy and healthy recipe, especially for your growing kids. So to make our Oats Besan Chilla, we'll be needing the following ingredients. I have taken here about half a cup of besan, half a cup of oats powder. What I have done is I have taken our normal oats, which is uncooked, and put it into a blender jar, and I have blended it into a fine powder like this. Around 2 chilies, which I have chopped finely. Around half capsicum, which I have chopped finely. Half tomato, which I have chopped finely. If you want, you can use one whole tomato. I don't like too much tomato, so I'm using just half a tomato. An onion, which I have chopped finely. Some coriander leaves, again which I have chopped finely. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of Ajwain. Using Ajwain here is optional. I like to use Ajwain, so I'm using it. Salt to your taste. 1 teaspoon of Jeera powder. 1 tablespoon of oil to roast our chillas. So now to make the batter of our besan and oats chilla, first we will add in our besan. Then we will add in our oats powder. Then we will add in our turmeric powder, Ajwain, Jeera powder. Then our capsicum, tomatoes, onions, chillies, and salt to taste. Now we'll just give this whole thing a nice mix. Once this is mixed really well, we'll add in our water. Just add around 2 tablespoons of water and keep mixing it. You get the right consistency. A very good recipe for your breakfast, especially for your growing kids, for your toddlers. But since oats is rich in fiber, it will really help them build up their fiber content. As growing kids really do need a lot of fiber. Add about 1 tablespoon of water. Mix this. If you even want, you can add grated carrot to it if you want to make it more nutritious for your kids. So now our batter is done. Now we'll get into the next process of roasting our chillas. So to make our oats and besan chilla, first we have to heat our tawa on medium flame. Once our tawa is heated, we'll take in our besan mixture. The mixture, the consistency of which our dosa is. So it shouldn't be too thick, not too thin. Once our pan is heated, just brush it with some oil. Next, we will take a spoonful of our batter like this in a spoon, and we'll pour this to the middle of the tawa and spread it using this spoon like this. If you're comfortable with the spoon, then you can even wet your hands using a katori like this, and then just spread this. We just apply some oil on the sides of it, on the top of our chilla. We'll just close it with a lid. Let it cook on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, we just take off the lid. As you can see, the color of our chilla has changed from the top, and now we just flip this. Other side cook for another 2 minutes. We'll brush this side also with some oil. After 2 minutes, we'll flip it and we'll cook it again for another a minute. It will become nice, crisp, and it will turn golden brown from all the sides. After 2 minutes, we'll just check if it is done. That's cooked really nice and well on this end. Now we'll just cook the other end for a minute because we applied oil on that end. Yeah, this end has also turned nice, brown and crisp. It's become nice and crisp from all the sides. So now we'll just take it out. We'll similarly just grease our pan with some oil. Again, take a spoonful of batter in our spoon. Pour it in between. I will show you how to spread it using water with your hands. Just spread it like this. If you're feeling that your hands have become too hot, dip your fingers into some more water. And then just do this again. Put some oil on the sides of the chilla and on top of the chilla, and we'll close it and we'll let it cook like this for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Check on it after about 2 minutes. Yeah, the color has changed. Now we'll just flip it, and see, this is the color that we want. Nice golden brown color from all the sides. After 2 minutes, we'll just flip and we'll check on it. Yeah, even this side is cooked really nice and well. So now we'll just transfer this into our serving plate. So there you go, our oats besan chilla is ready. You can eat it just like that because we've added all the masalas to it. If you don't want to eat it just like that, you can eat it with some 1 dollop of butter or even with some chutney. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.